Hey, I'm Scott Smith from CloudApp, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a collection. With CloudApp, it's really easy to capture content like a support center documentation video, a sales pitch, or even upload a security test or questionnaire that you might want to share with a customer. But after you start to get a large collection of content, we want to make it easy for you to reference that over and over and have quick access to it. So we've added this new tab up here, which allows you to quickly access or create new collections of content. So if you're in sales, for example, and you wanted to put together a collection of videos that you could easily access and just copy the link, you could do that here. Or if you're in marketing and you wanted to be able to have access to all of your logos and assets that you regularly share out with your customers or teammates, they're in here too. At CloudApp, we also have a collection where we share and update the latest versions of our app. And this makes it really easy for us to just make it available to the entire team. So collections are a really easy way for you as a salesperson to access content that you're going to use regularly, or as a support person to answer questions with visuals. Hopefully this is helpful. Talk to you soon.